At Marketing Managed, we empower engineering and technology-led manufacturers to achieve sustainable growth through strategic marketing. Our expertise lies in building lasting brand awareness and effectively managing demand, ensuring your business becomes a trusted authority in your industry. Our team's deep technical background enables us to understand the complexities of your product and market, allowing us to craft tailored strategies that resonate with your target audience. Our approach is built on 3 foundational pillars: strategy, developing comprehensive plans that align marketing efforts with your business objectives, providing a clear roadmap for growth; awareness generation, positioning your brand as the go-to provider in your field through targeted campaigns to build trust and recognition; demand management, nurturing interest and guiding prospects through their journey, resulting in higher quality engagements and shorter sales cycles. Utilizing our proprietary ACT and TEM frameworks, we ensure every aspect of your marketing plan is meticulously executed. ACT Prod framework is a structured approach to marketing strategy. Our TEM framework drives awareness generation and demand management, ensuring campaigns reach and resonate with the right audience. By integrating these frameworks, we create a cohesive system that delivers consistent, scalable results, aligning marketing efforts with your long-term business goals. Manufacturers often face challenges such as poor ROI on marketing spend, lack of visibility, and disjointed sales and marketing efforts. Our structured approach addresses these issues by building your reputation, nurturing interest, and aligning marketing and sales for seamless revenue generation. Without a structured marketing approach, businesses risk wasting resources and missing growth opportunities. Our methodology provides clarity, consistency, and measurable results, positioning your business for long-term success. Clients partnering with us have achieved significant outcomes, including increased brand visibility, shorter sales, and substantial growth in marketing impact. For instance, one client realised a £4.5 million pipeline within months, while another experienced a 2,000% growth in digital awareness in 6 months. Marketing Managed is more than a service provider. We're your partner in growth. Our commitment is to guide, support, and deliver results that matter, transforming your marketing into a powerful engine for business expansion. If you're ready to elevate your marketing strategy and achieve your business goals, visit www.marketingmanaged.agency to learn more and schedule a consultation. Together, let's build a future where your business thrives.